We all love the colour range of the Johnston made in Malaysia tiles, but what we don't like is sometimes they have a mind of their own and they just don't cut and shape to how we want them. Well, I've come up with an easy way on how to do that, and I think it's going to help you as well, and I'm going to show you that right now. Hi everyone, I've been working with the Australian Johnston tiles made in Malaysia ones, and these are the ones that have been difficult to cut for a lot of people, including myself. But I found an easier way, well for me anyway, to cut them to a shape. So if we draw a outline on what we want, we'll just do this as a curve to make it simple, and we use water. Now of course your texture outline should be water resistant. I've just got an ordinary one, so I'll have to work with that. But if we dip it in water and then we do small cuts, and it's great because it does keep the silica dust down, but you should wear a mask as well. Small nips, and we just keep chipping away. Bit messy. Of course I'm outside, so it's going everywhere outside, but I'll vacuum that up. Never use a broom because the silica can fly up in the air. Just dip it in. Just give that another bit of a trim there. But it really doesn't do a bad job. Success rate is around about 95% for me. I'm not saying this is the be all and end all, but it certainly has worked for me to help trimming. So I just thought I'd share that with you. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.